Just watch with me.
Hello, and welcome to Watch with Me. I'm Watchman Lee, and today we got another police video. This one is a fugitive on the run who's hiding out at his parents' house. So let's go ahead and jump into it.
You're entering my home.
Wait.
You put your hands on me.
Don't touch me.
You touch my pregnant wife.
What is this?
No.
Holy I'm gonna have both of your jobs.
On February 18th, 2024, officers responded to a residence following 2 arrest warrants for a man accused of theft and property damage.
Hey, what's up?
Hello. Is Kevin here?
What's
Kevin,
Kevin?
his last name starts with a B.
There's 2 Kevins.
Okay, he's younger. He's born in 2004. Okay. Kevin, you mind stepping over here and talking to me?
Can you tell me what this is about?
Yeah, he can step over here and talk to me. He's an adult.
We're asking.
Let him talk to them.
No, sir. So he has 2 warrants for his arrest, and if he has to come with me now, and if that doesn't happen, whoever gets in my way, unfortunately, they have to go to jail as well. It's 2 misdemeanor arrests. 2 misdemeanor warrants for his arrest.
I'm your parent.
I understand, and I'm not trying to come off in any way. I'm just saying what I have.
We just want to know what he's being arrested for, that's it.
I just said he has 2 warrants for his arrest.
For
And I'll
what?
get him detained, and I'll get him in my car, and I'll come read him back to
No,
you.
if you tell
No,
me
sir.
what it is, otherwise I get my
65
way here
85.
right now. You're on private property.
Okay, here's the situation. He's got 2 warrants. He's got to be over 18 because he's an adult. Cop wanted to talk to him by himself. The father feels like it's his house. No one can do anything unless he agrees to it. So he stopped his son from leaving, and now the cop is calling for backup.
10-12 with the signal 49 subject. Parents are getting in the way, and they're saying they're not releasing him to me. You need a signal 55 to step it up.
You just gotta tell them it's for.
Oh, I'm asking you.
So one's for petty theft. The other one is for,
Cop trying to say I got petty theft.
yeah, the one's for petty theft, and the other one is for destruction of property or something like that. Those 2, petty theft, and the other one's for destruction of the property, I guess, that was stolen. It was issued on the 13th. So again, yes. So again, I'm not here for discussion. Excuse me.
Hey, sir, you're entering my home.
The dad looks like he's been drinking a little bit or something, which might be affecting his decision-making process.
Please, excuse me, sir. Do not push against me, or you're going to go to jail too for obstruction.
No, I'm just being here.
Okay, and I'm not trying to escalate this at all. I'm not trying to escalate this at all. Yes, it's in our system. I have it confirmed, and I'm not trying to escalate anything. Yeah, it is. And mine is too. I'm not trying to escalate anything.
So you cannot enter my property.
No, I can. I have a warrant for his arrest.
Can I see the warrant?
No, I don't have it on me. I have it in the system.
Can you get
You're not moving.
Give me the warrant.
Is this your husband? Is this your husband? Can you ask him to move?
Can you please give me
I'm
the
not
warrant?
trying to escalate this anymore.
You're entering my home.
You have to show us the warrant.
Okay.
You have to
No, I do not. No, I do not. No, I do not. No, sir.
Listen,
Excuse me, sir.
I love you away.
Excuse me, sir.
Hey,
He's pushing me.
He pushed me. He pushed me.
I'm just trying to
You
get
put your
him
hands
going.
on me. Yes, you did. You did.
Well, okay, so put it down for him.
No, you put his hands on me.
Okay, the father is literally obstructing the justice of her son getting arrested. So when the cop goes hand on, it's not battery.
You don't understand.
Call my brother. My brother's the biggest lawyer in the world.
hostile for no reason.
No, call my brother.
All right, Kev.
10-12 with the signal
Get out of my driveway. Bro, you put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
You have to show us the warrant for
You
you.
were ready.
Listen,
You have to show us the warrant.
I
You
know
need
how
to
it works.
de-escalate him before he
But
has
he's
to go
not
to
going
jail
to
as well.
de-escalate. This is how he
Talk
is.
to me. What
Step
that?
out
You
here
even
and
say
talk
what?
to me.
You think
I'm
that
just-
racial?
Step out here.
No, but once you
You're
step
in my home.
And just for the watchers, it's hard for me to understand because all 3 of them are yelling at the same time. It doesn't make it easy for the cop. I know if I'm sitting here looking at the videotape, it's hard to figure out what they're saying. I know it's hard for him to understand.
Entered my home.
He has a warrant for his arrest.
Okay, where's the warrant?
How do you know it's him?
Let's show me
Because
the...
I have him on my computer.
All right, we'll
All
go
right,
get
so
the
go get the
picture.
arrest. You have
Please
to
step
show us
out
the
here, Mr.
warrant.
Kevin.
No,
I'll
sorry,
explain
bro.
it to you. You're an adult. adult, aren't
Sorry,
you?
bro.
Step out of your
You're
car.
too f***ing small to take me out.
Okay.
I'm mentally
You better
retarded.
Do not make threats. Do not make threats because you go to jail
I'm
too.
not making threats.
I'm mentally
You're coming on
Do
my
not make threats because
You're
you'll go to jail
You're
too.
in my home. You're in my
Relax.
house.
Relax. Everybody needs to
Where's the
relax
warrant?
because you have a
You
warrant.
didn't show me a warrant.
You need to relax.
I asked for a warrant.
Somebody will talk to me.
Don't step. Take a picture.
I asked for a warrant.
No, I don't have to show you
I
that.
asked for a warrant.
I have
That's
cops
all
who are
I asked,
friends.
bro.
You do have to show us
me.
the warrant.
No, I do not.
Yes,
Excuse
you
me.
do.
You're coming in my home.
Yes, you do. You have to show us the warrant. We'll
No,
give you him.
we don't have
You
to.
do. I have
We
cops
don't
who are
have to.
friends. I have cops who are friends.
Stop.
I have cops-
Relax.
I
Go to jail.
have
Relax.
cops who are friends.
Parents are going to jail. They're literally obstruction. Other cops are here. Now they're going to go hands on.
Getting out of hand.
Okay,
This is getting out of hand.
I'm not going to jail.
Right now,
I just want to see the
Step out
warrant.
and we'll
I
talk
just
about
want
it.
to see the warrant.
You are obstructing justice.
Listen,
Okay.
don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Touch my pregnant wife in your
Come on.
Hey.
I'm coming. Stop. Can you chill out?
Stop. You come with us. Come on.
Let me go. Let me go.
Let's go. We'll talk to you about it in a second. Stay there or you're going to jail.
Don't grab me like that, please. I swear on my mother's life, I could have ran out the back door. Please.
I understand
I
that.
just don't like being around like this, bro.
That's illegal.
No, we do.
Bro, please grab my.
At least the son had common sense to realize at this point, there's no reason to fight. He gave himself up because the parents were about to get arrested.
Hands like your boyfriend. Please, I don't like being held like this.
You'll get over yourself.
Bro, why do you hold me like this?
We're putting you in handcuffs.
What is this?
No.
Holy shit, I'm gonna have both of your jobs. See my car? Make more money than both of you, that's crazy.
It's crazy. You still steal from places.
Can you tell me what? Where?
I don't know. I just know that's what the warrant's for.
Sir, I'm so confused.
That's cool. You can find out when the judge tells you.
Do you have anything in your pockets or to poker stick me?
My phone, I was just working on the car, so I'm not sure.
Okay. Look. We need
Sir,
one
yeah,
more thing.
he's drinking a little bit, so.
I don't want
Can you just give that to my mother?
Yeah, I'll take
I
it.
lose that shit all the time.
We don't need any further. Look, my man.
Can I just ask you a question? Do you mind if I'm stressing out? Can I hit that? I know you're not allowed to let me. I don't know if you're allowed.
Just take some deep breaths. Look. I'm the nicest guy.
Yeah.
I didn't come off to you aggressive.
I didn't want you
And
to.
I didn't want any of this to happen. And all I tried to explain to your dad was you have a warrant for your arrest. And I'll explain to him exactly what it is. But when I look it up on my computer, I don't have it memorized. And all I can do is have to act off the warrant.
Can
And
he
your dad-
please leave him alone? Cause he's. Listen, can you guys talk to me one-on-one?
Yeah, I'm talking
He's
to
a
you.
heavy drunk, right? He has very bad issues.
Are
We
you-
moved
are
from
you
New
adult?
Jersey. Yes.
So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to explain. We moved from New Jersey, okay? He had a very bad experience with the law, so he just doesn't like
And
cops like
that's
that. They broke into our house, kicked our door in, they had no reason to.
And that's
He
the
has
thing.
very hostile. We're not used to the cops doing this, okay?
And I'm not, I didn't want any of this to happen. All I asked was that you step out here and talk to me. We would talk as adults.
Yeah.
I would come back and tell them, hey, this is what the warrants are. You'll have a
Well, yeah,
bond.
I was just a little scared because in New Jersey, I did nothing wrong, and then the minute I stepped outside, they tackled me.
I know. And I don't want to do that. I didn't get physical with
Yeah,
anybody. You know what I mean? So hang tight. I'll tell them exactly what the warrants are for, and I'll give this to them.
Yeah, do you mind if I just hit that?
I can't while you're in my car. Just take a deep breath. Step in for me. And I'll go tell them what's going on. But if he wants to act belligerent, I
you
don't
have
have
my
to.
phone?
Is it in your pocket?
Yeah, he has it. They're allowed to. You guys
Okay.
just hold that.
It'll go with you.
Okay.
You want this vape to stay with them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not going to be able to hit it anytime.
So, like I said earlier, the son had more sense than the dad. He was reasonable, respectful, and they're willing to work with him the best they can. But they gotta arrest him.
Right?
No.
Sir?
What's
I'm
up?
not going to be able to hit that at any time, right?
No, sir.
So, yeah.
I'll give you to him.
And I'm sorry to be annoying, but can you just do something to, like, make this left cuff a little loose?
Yeah, we'll adjust it in a second. So it's for petty theft
Yeah.
and
What's petty theft, though?
theft $100 or more, but less than $750, and resisting a merchant. Those are what it's for. Do y'all want his vape?
What?
He wants y'all to have this. Do you want it? It's his vape and his key. So the warrant is for petty theft, $100 or more,
Only
less
extra
than
in the
$750.
copy of the warrant
Listen to
before
me.
you entered
Listen
my
to me.
property.
Listen to me.
Before you
Listen to
entered
me.
my property. I
Okay.
don't know what he did.
Here you
I
go.
want to get in that.
Are they going to call me and come get me?
So he's going to have a bond.
Okay.
It's petty theft.
Okay.
$100 or more, less than $750. The second one is resisting a merchant. That's all it is.
Okay.
And again,
What is that?
and again,
Just because, listen, we're from New York, and in New York it's a little
This is
different.
all
You
fine.
have to show paperwork.
and what I'm saying is that
my wife
he's-
runs the
Okay. Don't worry
So
about
he's an
it.
adult.
her friend
I just
is the
want to
sergeant
I'm sorry.
of
I
something.
just got nervous, and
Okay.
and I didn't want any of this to happen.
all right. He's
But
our
you
son.
guys
You
did
have to
all
understand
wrong.
how he feels.
You guys did all wrong.
Okay,
Listen.
Kevin, relax. I
Listen.
got you.
And her father is
Listen.
Catholic.
Listen.
I'm listening.
No, you're not. You're talking. Here's the
Come
thing.
on, bro.
Stop.
Okay. I know.
We're
It
trying
was
to
a little
explain
scary
something
get,
to you,
like,
but
hear
you
that.
keep talking.
You didn't know what it was about.
Well, then, also, whenever you stand in the way, it puts me in a hard spot.
Bro,
Because he's an adult.
you're entering my property.
You're obstructing.
Whenever he has an arrest warrant, and I say you're under arrest, and you get in my way, you're obstruction, and I have
Boy,
to
you
act
walked
on it.
onto my property.
Okay, sir, you could be going to jail, but that's not going to happen because I'm going to show my discretion.
You
Okay,
were standing in front of
so you
us.
could go to jail. Yes, sir, you could for
that is
obstruction.
So standing on my
You could.
property, I give you.
No, for getting in my way when you know he has a warrant, and I'm telling him. No,
You
no, I did not.
did.
We're going to get out of here.
So, Officer, the Deputy Walton, right? They got a call that I can get him.
Yeah,
or whatever?
he'll call you.
Yeah, so the parents, they got issues. Son was on point. He handled it right. I mean, he hesitated at first, but he stepped up when he knew his parents were going to get arrested, and he took the responsibility. So kudos to the parents. Cops were being nice. They walked away at the end because the parents wouldn't stop talking. All right. Just be careful with your interactions. You know, there's half of the stuff I see up here is because the people pushed it further and further. All right. Anyway, I'm Watchman Lee. Shows Watch with me. Keep coming back and watching my videos. I'll see y'all in the next one.